This is our next generation of M12 inspection cameras. They will be available in two sizes, one with 1.2 meters and one with a 3-meter cable for extended reach. All our cameras are equipped with a 270-degree rotatable screen and a high-resolution camera to see clearer and sharper images. All the camera heads are IP67 rated to withstand the toughest worksite conditions. The cameras come with 4 levels of brightness and 4 levels of digital zoom to zoom into the point of interest. Images and videos can be stored on the integrated 32 GB memory card. All our cameras are equipped with 4 attachment heads, a plumbing ball, a mirror, a magnet and a hook. Let's see the tool now in action.